In today's free video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an audio visualizer or a spectrum in Adobe Premiere. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Drag or locate the video or the audio piece that you'd like to use to transform into an audio piece or visualizer. Once loaded onto the timeline, locate the part that you would like to use or transform to an audio visualizer. The next step is to create an in point and an out point if you would like. This is optional. Under your project bin, click the fourth option which says new item and click the fourth option, adjustment layer, and then click OK. Drag this onto the timeline and extend the adjustment layer. Select or highlight both your adjustment layer and your piece. Right click and scroll up and click replace with After Effects composition. Click the highlights and your adjustment layer in After Effects, scroll up until you see the fourth option, layer, click new, and then click solid. Don't worry about the options, you can change this later if you would like, and then click OK. And as your solid is still selected or highlighted, click next to the layer which says effect and scroll down until you see the option generates audio spectrum. And once selected or loaded, under effects control next to audio layer, click the drop down arrow and select your audio or your MP3 piece. And as you can see, Adobe Premiere Pro, this is what we have. If you want in Adobe After Effects, you can change the settings, green, digital, analog lines, like the digital duration, averaging. Let me see how this looks like actually. A bonus tip is like you can change the hue, interpretation, and then click here. So it's facing the right, and this is what this looks like. Or should I say this is the before. And this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.